Well, howdy tubers. Well, as you can see, I'm not in the shop, outside. Let's see. Not gonna fly, just taxi around because my battery in the transmitter isn't charged up and the battery in the airplane isn't charged up. So we will just taxi around and see how much power it seems like it has, and we'll go from there. First, let me show you this. Okay, I did Velcro the receiver here. I Velcroed the ESV or ESC, whatever you call it there. Velcroed the battery back here because when it was up here in the nose, it was nose heavy. So I moved it back here, and it's still a little nose heavy, but that'll definitely work there. So that's what we got so far. And then I put these. They're Mike Patey makes these, or has them made, or whatever. But they've got a little lever on there so you can release them, so I don't have to cut them to get them off. But I just thought for a little bit added security, if this is a wild machine and I'm doing some wild gyrations, that it might pull itself from that Velcro. So just a little added security. So let's plug this booger in and get the wing on. Okay. First under its own power. I got enough room to turn around. Well, let's see how much get up and go it seems to have. My dad said that I put the wrong engine or motor in there. I think that's plenty. That was full throttle. I mean, lawnmower, my great. The way this is I believe it was 11.6 electric prop. Alrighty. I believe that's plenty of power. So I believe that's plenty of power. So we'll I'll have to let my dad see this video and see what he thinks about it scooting off there pretty quick like. So I guess until we get a Virgin flight in, that'll be it for this here build. There you go. Wait a minute. I thought I was hearing a radial engine, but I guess not. Anyway, there you go. God bless.